Good morning, students. Let's continue with question answer. So, fifth one is explain how fertilizers are different from manure. So, here difference is given about fertilizer and manure, and this difference we have read in chapter also. So, main difference between fertilizer and manure are as follow. First one, a fertilizer is an inorganic salt. That means it is not by natural thing. And in manure, first point is manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste, and plant residue. That means manure is a natural thing and it is made by the decomposition, by means the mixture of this cow dung, human waste, and plant residue. Then second point, a fertilizer is prepared in factories. So this fertilizer are made in factories. And second point for manure is manure can be prepared in field. So this manure is prepared in field and fertilizers are prepared in factories. So fertilizers are artificial and manure is a natural. Third point, a fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. So humus means you have read in 7th standard also, that means the dead and decayed body of animals and dead and decayed things of plants and human beings when get mixed together in soil with the help of some microorganisms, that is humus. So it doesn't humus doesn't contain fertilizer because it is an artificial thing. And in manure, third point is manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. So in manure you can get more humus. Fourth one, in fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrient like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So in fertilizer you can get this type of nutrient like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. But in manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrient. But in manure you can get less nutrient. So this is a difference between fertilizer and manure. Next question. Question number 6. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. So irrigation means what? And you can write the two irrigation method which can save water. Answer. The supply of water to crops at a different interval is called irrigation. Means when we give water to the crops according to their need, so and according to a time interval, that is called irrigation. And two method of irrigation which conserve water are as follow. So first one is about sprinkler method and second one is about drip system, that we have learnt in chapter also. So first let's read about sprinkler system. Under this method, the perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on the top are joined to the main pipeline at regular interval. So at a measurement of maybe 2 meter, measurement of maybe 2 centimeter or 4 centimeter or 15 centimeter, one perpendicular pipeline is fixed, and then in L shape you can say, and then one rotating nozzle is there on the top of a pipe which is joined, and this other pipeline is also joined with the main pipe, and at a fixed distance, when water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzle. It gets sprinkled on the top on the crop as if it raining. So when the pump throw out the water from well or wherever from where the water is being taken out by the pump, and when this water is thrown to the pipe, and when from pipe nozzles, the nozzles start rotating, the water comes out from the nozzle and sprinkle on the crop as how it is raining. So this is a system of a sprinkler method. Now next is drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the root. So here in drip system, the water is given at the root part of the plant. It is the best technique for watering fruit plant, gardens and trees. So this drip system is a best technique for giving water to the fruit plants, even in the gardens and for big trees also. Water is not wasted at all. It is a boon in a region where availability of water is poor. So where there is water is less available in a place or in a region, in such region this drip irrigation is most useful, because in this drip irrigation water is given drop by drop. So these are the two systems of irrigation. Now next question, question number 7. If wheat is sown in a Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Means if wheat will be grown in Kharif season, means in rainy season, then what will happen? Wheat is a Rabi crop, hence it requires cold climate condition to be grown properly. So wheat needs a cold climatic condition to grow. If it is sown in the Kharif season, it will not grow or may get destroyed due to excessive rain in a Kharif season. So, in Kharif season, if the wheat crop will get more and more water, then it will get destroyed or it will not grow in a proper manner. So, wheat is grown in a Rabi season. Wheat is called as Rabi crop, and wheat is grown in a winter season. Then next question, question number 8. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of a crop in a field. So your question is asked, how soil get affected by continuous plantation of crop. Means if this 4 month one crop is grown, and again after harvesting the first crop, second crop is being started to grow again, then after harvesting second crop, again third crop started to grow, and there is no interval. That means there is no stop in between the two crop. Then what will happen? Answer: soil supplies mineral nutrient to the crop. So you know that the plant get nutrient and mineral from soil. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. Continuous growing of a crop in a same field make the soil poorer in a certain nutrient. So once a crop is grown in a field, the crop will take up all the nutrient from the soil, and again if the crop is grown on the same place second time, then the plant is not able to get so much that much of a nutrient how much a plant needs. This make the soil infertile. So because of this problem, the soil will get infertile. That means the soil is not able to give the nutrient to the plants, and then to replenish the soil with nutrients, farmer need to add manure to the soil. So for this, that means for mixing up the nutrient in soil, so farmer need to use manure to the soil. So it is said that the continuous plantation will affect the soil and crop also.